Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use Figma Buzz. First, navigate to your Figma Buzz dashboard, which serves as your central hub for all design projects. From there, you can easily invite team members by entering their email addresses, fostering seamless collaboration. To begin a new design review, simply click the New Project button and upload your design files. This initial setup takes less than 1 minute, ensuring you can start buzzing with feedback almost instantly. Figma Buzz offers several powerful core features to streamline your design feedback process. You can use the intuitive annotation tool to pinpoint exact areas for comments, ensuring clarity. Engage in lively, real-time discussions directly within your project channels, keeping all communication centralized. Plus, with integrated version history, you can effortlessly track every design iteration, seeing changes over time. Assigning feedback tasks to specific team members ensures accountability and efficient progress. To elevate your workflow, explore some advanced techniques within Figma Buzz. You can generate automated summary reports, providing a concise overview of all feedback and progress in just a few seconds. Seamlessly integrate Figma Buzz with your preferred design software, creating a unified ecosystem. Customize your notification settings to receive alerts only for relevant feedback, maintaining focus. Furthermore, leverage advanced filtering options to sort feedback by priority, status, or assignee, optimizing your review process. To maximize your Figma Buzz experience, consider these best practices and tips. First, establish clear feedback guidelines for your team, ensuring everyone understands expectations. Regularly archive completed projects to keep your dashboard clean and focused on active work. Encourage team members to provide concise and actionable feedback, leading to more productive revisions. Finally, always utilize the Resolve Comment feature to mark addressed feedback, providing a clear indication of progress and completion.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.